Hi, cuties. Hi, Sterling. Mama, you could go in front of my face and rub it on me. Hi, crazies. Oh. I'm starting to be like big kitties. A little bit. Especially Pinky. Be easy on your little brothers and sisters. She's like, all right, who's gonna play with me? Who can do it? Who can play with me? Go on, birdie. Hey there, little black sheep of the family. Hey. There you are. Now I can see your little face. I haven't seen your face much. You're always sleeping and eating, yeah. They got some eye ointment in, that's why their eyes look like they do. Sterling is still fighting. Sometimes he sounds terrible, like he's sucking through a straw. And yes, I have to change the blanket even though I just changed it. Oh, yeah, your eye's so bad. It all of a sudden just got bad and we've been treating it. Mommy's rubbing her face against mine. They're all over here because Mommy. Hi. Oh, you got your mommy back. I'm not giving her enough attention, so she's like, film me, film me. I'm the biggest baby. I change your blankets. You got a great purr, Mommy. Oh, you're so alert. Your other ones are gonna catch up, your brothers and sisters. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Stinky babies. Stinky mommy. Gotta get your eyes next, but you are a fighter. She fights me. It is very hard to get her eyes. Or anything you want to do to her. Hi, Sterling. Are you fighting hard? We're trying to get you to make it. Yeah. Go to your mommy. Yeah. See, still fighting for food. Primrose was not fighting for food. She went off in the corner. She was gasping for air. She was not gonna make it, but Sterling has been keeping me up in the air for days. Normally with that much fluid in their lungs, they would not make it. So it's still up in the air, but we're really hoping and trying very hard. All right, we'll see you guys later.